On the home screen, scroll all the way to the left. Then when you see that plus sign, click on that and roll down to where you see PS Plus Collection and click into that. And you're gonna see 20 great games that are free for you to play if you have the PS Plus subscription. And this is called the PlayStation Plus Collection. It's a really good collection of games from the PlayStation 4 era. And you might be saying first, like, well, these are all old games. Yes, they're old, but doesn't mean they're not good. There are some really great ones in here, like God of War, which I played a lot on my PS4 Pro, which is a great game. Definitely one I would recommend to you. What's pretty cool is that they sent out a free update for this, so it takes advantage of the PS5 hardware, so it runs a bit faster and a bit nicer. It's still a PS4 game, but you're gonna get the best version of it and the best playability with it if you download it from here playing on the PS5. There's also The Last of Us Remastered, which is a game I would definitely recommend grabbing up as well too. If you like good story-driven content, it's a really good game. Another one I'd recommend. Also, if you're looking into platformers, Ratchet and Clank is a really good game to play as well too, and something good for the kids to kind of jump around and play with. And this is a really good collection of games. All these games are easy to download. You just click to add to the library, then you hit download to download directly to your PS5. You can send these off onto the external storage as well too, since they're all PS4 games. You can run it off that, and you can save your precious storage space on your system right now, which is really important on the PS5. These are some good games to get started off with while we wait for the better PS5 games to come out. And I would definitely recommend picking up PlayStation Plus if you don't have it yet.